Hey everyone, this is Brian from Ecom Fusion. Today I'm going to show you how to create a custom Facebook page and edit it from within your BigCommerce control panel. If you're not watching this at Ecom Fusion right now, there's a link in the video description to the original article that includes all the links and code I use in this video. You're going to need to be able to upload a new page template to get this working. So if you're not familiar how to do that with BigCommerce, I also am linking to 2 videos in this article for you to watch that'll bring you up to speed. They're both short videos. It's easy stuff, so you should have no problems. First thing we're going to do is create a new template for BigCommerce. Now the reason we need this template is because we want to eliminate our surrounding design from this content, the design that's on most of our BigCommerce site, because this page is actually going to be surrounded by your Facebook page. I use Dreamweaver to create this page, but you can use any plain text editor like Notepad and it'll work just fine. You're only going to want to use 2 template tags in this. You're going to want to use HTML head, and that's going to call in your CSS and JavaScript and your meta tags, and you're going to want to use page content. That's all you need. Technically any tag that's inside the page template will work, but you need to be careful because anything that doesn't any links that don't open in a new window will open inside your Facebook page, and if that link is not on a page that uses this template, it's going to look weird because it's going to try to load your whole website within Facebook. Other than that, you can see I've wrapped the content in a div class FB canvas, and then I added a little bit of CSS up here. This line right here pretty much resets all the background colors to white, so if your website uses background colors, they're not going to load into Facebook. This here sets this div to be a width of 520 pixels because that's how much space Facebook gives you to work with, so this will make sure all of our content fits within that space. And lastly, H2 display none. I'm hiding the H2 on the Facebook page, and I'll explain why about that in a little bit. If you don't want to hide it, you can just delete that line and your H2 will show up on your Facebook page. Now when you upload this file, you just want to make sure the name of it starts with an underscore and ends in .html. I called mine underscore Facebook page.html, and you want to make sure you put it into the template directory, and then you'll be able to access this from within BigCommerce as a page template. Okay, once you've uploaded your new template, you want to log into BigCommerce and go to website content, create a web page. Now this page is gonna contain content created using the what you see is what you get editor below. I'm gonna call it Facebook fan page. You can call this anything you want. The reason that we hid that H2 tag is because whatever you put here will show up on your page if you do not. So if you don't want this to show up on the page, then you will want to leave that display none on the H2 tag that I talked about earlier. The reason I would want to hide it is because you want your message on your Facebook page might change, but you don't want to change this page name because this makes it easy to find when you want to edit it, and this is what sets the URL in BigCommerce, which is how Facebook knows what page to load. And if you change this, then you would need to go into your Facebook app and also change it, and it's just more of a pain. If you just leave it the same and hide it, then you don't have to worry about it, and whatever you put in here will show up on your Facebook fan page. So just to get some content loaded for the demonstration, and I'll go ahead and stick a video in here. Now this here is actually what will go into your Facebook page. Anything you put into here. We do not need to show this in the navigation menu because you don't really want your customers to find this page through your site. And template layout file, we want to select our Facebook page template. If it's not there, you probably uploaded it in the wrong place, or you didn't put the underscore here. And we can just save and exit. Now from here, I'm assuming you've already set up a Facebook page and integrated the BigCommerce social shop with it. If you haven't, I will link you to a video or a tutorial that shows you how to do that. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a custom Canvas page to be the welcome page for that Facebook page. You need to go to Facebook/developers. I'll put that link in the article as well. And you're going to click set up new app. And this app can be named whatever you want it to be. Nobody else is going to find it except you. So I'm going to call it Custom BC Canvas. Agree to the terms. Create the app. Once you've done the security check, this page here, you don't have to edit anything on this page. This icon right here is what will show up on the tab for your Facebook page, so if you want to change that, it's probably a good idea. The important tab is Facebook integration. We're going to go there. The Canvas URL is your store name. It is whatever is the URL of your store /pages, /pages/ right there. That's what the Canvas URL is. You don't got to worry about the URL exactly to your page that you created yet. It just ends after pages/. That's all that needs to be in there. Down here, you want to make sure that you're selected iframe. You don't want to show scroll bars, so you just hit auto resize. Bookmark URL doesn't matter. Social discovery, you want to disable that because this app is only for you. It's not for anyone else. And then your tab name, I'll call it welcome. You can call it anything you want, but this will be the name of the tab on your page. Make sure you're still on iframe. And tab URL this time is going to be to the actual page you created. So you have your store URL /pages/ and then the name of your page. Remember, I created mine. It was called Facebook fan page. It's going to be whatever you called it, and then if you had spaces in there, there will be dashes. So for me, it's Facebook-fan-page.html. That's the tab URL. Click Save Changes. And my app is created, Custom BC Canvas. I want to go to the application profile page. And then from here, I want to click Add to my page. And the page I want to add it to is my BC custom fan page. That's my fan page I created for this tutorial. So you're going to select whatever your Facebook fan page is, add to page, close it. Go to your fan page and you can see the tab is right here, welcome. If I click it, and it loaded in the content that I entered into my page. Now to make this page my default page, if someone comes to my fan page, I want to go to edit page and default landing tab, set that to welcome. Save changes. And then that will be the default tab people will land on when they come to my page. Now if I want to edit my Facebook welcome tab, I can just go to my control panel and find the Facebook page, and I can edit it like any other page. I can insert images. Just make sure if you add links that you select open in new window, because if you don't, Facebook is going to try to load that link inside of the iframe. Like I said before, you need it to open in a new window, or else it's just going to stay on your fan page, and that web page is actually going to be in here, and it's not going to fit right, and it's not going to look good. Save that and refresh the fan page. You can see the image we added. Now if you need any inspiration or ideas, I'm going to link you to this article on Smashing Magazine, Designing a Facebook Fan Page, Showcases, Tutorials, Resources. It's a really good article and should give you some ideas and help you out for creating your custom page. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them in the comments on our blog or email me at info@ecomfusion.com. Thank you.